More news coming in at this point in time. Union Minister attacks the Congress over abuse to the Prime Minister's mother. Giriraj Singh's Rahul fake mother attack. Rahul doesn't respect his own mother is what he said. Union Minister says sue Rahul for abusing the Prime Minister's mother.
राहुल गांधी अब इतना नीचे गिर गए हैं जैसे उनकी नकली माँ है। उनको न माँ का इज्जत का अपने माँ का इज्जत का ख्याल नहीं है तो दूसरे की माँ को कहां से वो सम्मान करेंगे। ये एआई पर मोदी जी के माँ को इस ढंग से इन पर तो फ्रॉडिज्म का केस होनी चाहिए, जांच होनी चाहिए। ये कोई मतलब है? छी छी डूब करके मर जाओ।
I'm going to go straight across to Aishwarya on that story that we are tracking very closely. The run-up to Bihar elections, we are going to see more of these attacks because the narrative has also been around, the Prime Minister's mother, his relationship with her, how the opposition has repeatedly, in fact, been dragging her into the electoral battle. And we saw the beginning of that in that particular India Bloc rally where all kinds of things were said by a Congress worker at the end of the day against the Prime Minister's mother, isn't it?
Well, Sneha, be rest assured, we will see this becoming a big issue in the upcoming Bihar elections. The top leaders of the BJP, including the Home Minister Amit Shah, also have pointed fingers at the Congress party and saying that this is the true face of the Congress party. We are also seeing how some of the top union leaders have now been pointing fingers and saying that you do not need to drag Prime Minister Narendra Modi's mother or his family, because he's kept his family away from all this, away from these kind of statements. So you should not be making these statements. But now with this AI video, this is something that the BJP will make the talk of the town, and we will see in Bihar rallies. This is something which will be raked up, which will be spoken about. The BJP in fact is saying that you should be apologizing, but instead of apologizing, you are coming up with these AI videos in which you are once again dragging the late mother of Prime Minister Narendra Modi into the battlefield and raising fingers and pointing fingers at the relationship Prime Minister had with his mother.
I'm going to leave it there for the moment. Aishwarya Parival getting in those details. Like she rightly mentioned, this isn't a controversy that's going to die down anytime soon, with the Congress raking it up again and again, and the BJP, of course, going after the Grand Old Party for the same.